You might mistake this dark-winged creature for a flying fox. But in Indonesia, it's actually a common dish on the dinner table. While in other places, bats might be considered bad omens due to their association with disease. Especially after the global health crisis, many people keep their distance from bats, much to the bats' protest. However, in Indonesia, the situation is completely different. For Indonesians, bat is considered a divine delicacy. They believe illness is God's will, and bats are not just a delicious meal, but also symbols of good luck and health. This belief makes bat meat extremely popular in markets. Walking through the busy marketplace, you'll find bat meat stalls everywhere, each stall crowded with customers. Vendors not only sell fresh bat meat, but also offer various cooking suggestions, helping customers pair ingredients with the best cooking methods. Bats can be prepared in many ways, including frying, stewing, and grilling. Each method brings out the unique flavor of bat meat. The process of turning bat meat into a delicious dish is filled with unique Indonesian culinary traditions. Chefs carefully prepare a series of seasonings, including green onions, ginger, garlic, and chili peppers, along with various spices. These are mainly used to remove gaminess and enhance flavor. Once the seasonings are ready, the crucial step is processing the bat meat. Unlike ordinary poultry, bat meat requires extra care. During processing, the chef first cuts below the bat's neck, carefully removing lymph nodes and other potentially harmful substances, ensuring the safety of the ingredient. The chef skillfully cuts along the bat's back, removing the internal organs one by one, making sure every detail is handled cleanly. After cleaning out the organs, the bat is chopped into small pieces. This helps absorb the seasonings and makes it easier to eat. The chef mentions specifically that while bat wings have little meat, their delicate texture is comparable to chicken wings or feet. Each bite offers a unique flavor experience during cooking. The prepared bat meat is briefly blanched, removing any surface bacteria and blood. The chef adds oil to a hot wok, quickly stir-frying green onions and chili peppers. When these spices release their rich aroma, the chef adds the blanched bat meat to the wok, stir-frying quickly over high heat, under the intense flame. The sauce and bat meat blend perfectly, creating a dish with an enticing aroma and rich flavor. Besides traditional stir-frying, bat curry is especially popular. This dish is simple to make, yet has a unique flavor. The whole bat is placed in the hot pot without being cut up. This preserves the meat's integrity and allows every part to absorb the curry essence evenly. Coconut milk is added to the rich curry, adding a creamy flavor and smooth texture, making the dish more flavorful with distinct tastes. After about 30 minutes of simmering, the bat meat becomes tender and flavorful. Each bite releases a unique aroma. The significance of these bat dishes goes far beyond satisfying hunger. It's a tribute to Indonesian traditions and an expression of gratitude for nature's gifts. So, friends, how does this bat cuisine look to you? Why not tag your friends to try it together? Like and follow for more amazing content.